Hello and welcome to Feller. Today you will learn how to create a long dress pattern with panels. These types of designs are used in haute couture, exclusively for wedding dresses. For this class we will need two measurements that are the waist contour and the total length. From these two measures we will be transforming our design. At the end of the class, we will be left with the following way, a totally finished pattern where we will be applying the pi number. The number pi helps us find exact measurements of perimeters and circumferences. I will be commenting on this and more during the class, that is why I invite you to this class. Without thinking about it, let's start. We are going to work, and what we are going to do is the following. In my sheet of paper I am going to divide or fold the paper into two, since I am going to create a half bell skirt. You're going to do the same, this way. I already have it folded this way, and what I'm going to do is work from this point where we have the folded sheet of paper, to work half of our bell skirt. For this we will divide. I am working on a scale size mannequin, so the contour of my waist, it measures 33 centimeters, and these 33 centimeters must be divided by 3.14. Why 3.14? 3.14 is the number determined to measure areas and perimeters of circumferences. This is a mathematical number that helps us find the measure to create our design. So I'm going to divide 33 by 3.14 to give me a measure of 10.5 centimeters, and with this measurement I will be working the circumference for my waist. Let's score. Once after marking the segmented lines I join it in a circumference, linear. And from this I will be marking the desired length. And from this point from the waistline we will be marking the desired length. You will mark your desired length, the one you like. For this design of this type of skirts we have worked up to full length. Very well, I already have it ready in this way. I was able to rectify it. And what we will do is cut it. Very well, we already have it cut, and it will be left in this way. What we are going to do from this point of our half bell, we have to cut 3 pieces. In the same way. 3 half pieces. Bell. I'm here now, I'm one step ahead. I've already cut out the 3 half bell pieces. In this way. And what I will do is put the 3 pieces together. Very well, I already have the 3 half bell pieces together here. And what I'm going to do now at this point is fold. At this point, we fold it, and what I will do will be join this point, and press to leave me one line. Very well, our half bells will be left in this way. And what we have left to do at this point is to unite all the circumference of our half bells. Let's join. Thus, the 3 pieces. Before I could continue, and I forgot that they have to leave a necessary measurement for the seams. What we are going to do now in this last point, we are going to close this whole point. The union of the three pieces will be left in this way. Thus, as you can see, here the undulation is already forming. For full length, what we have to do from this point is just close our pieces, creating some folds from this point, in all the circumferences that we create. We are going to do it as follows. Alright, it will fit you this way. Split our panels of our skirt this way. This is how we have each panel divided. This is not necessary for you to do it on the fabric. To be able to work on the fabric, you only have to create a few pickets at each point, both at the waist and in the total length, like this. So what we're going to do now is the following. Once developed to this point, we are going to divide this point to this point. We will measure, and we're going to divide by 3. Eight and a half divided by 3 equals 2.8 centimeters. I will mark this measurement, leaving a point. 2.8 and 2.8. Once we have it divided in this way, what we have to do is connect these points. We are going to join it as follows. Thus, it is joining the middle part to the side. Thus, I'm going to hit it. From this same point, towards the side, we go to the bend of the center to the side in this way. Very well. I'll be with you. Being this way, and what we have to do from this point is to do the same process all around the waist. Very well. I joined these 3 panels for the sample. It will be left this way once closed. The folds that way. Just dividing each panel by 3 in equal parts and joining them as I explained. They will be left. Thus, total length, that's wavy shapes for our design. I have it a point further forward in the bottom of the screen. I am showing you the measurement of the skirt in scale size, already made all the contour. What comes to be the circumference of my waist totally closed and finished. In this way you will be staying. They can work it in any measurement of your waist contour. It is only to create 3 panels and measure with the measure of the number pi 3.14. We are going to be talking about this number in other videos, and what is a key number to be able to work different pieces of what is coming make the flared skirts, bells. And why do they work with this measure? Before I can say goodbye, I would invite you to join the group of members. If you subscribe to the members group at this time, you will find templates ready for you to download. 2 templates that become the base pattern of the body on an industrial scale. That this PDF includes 6 sizes. The bustier pattern that is included in 3 sizes that are already ready for you to develop your transformations, or to be able to create your designs from these models. That was all for today. I hope you liked a didactic class where you learned a new way of creating custom patterns, and for the following classes I would invite you to have your body patterns ready, dress or skirts, since from this point we will be performing different transformations. I say goodbye having finished one more class. Where did you learn a new way to create your custom patterns, and with me it will be. Until the next video. Bye.